Good morning, children. In our previous period, we have completed articles a and we also saw how to use that a and articles with singular nouns. When to use that, both are for singular nouns. Whenever there are the nouns begin with consonant, we can use a, and the noun begin with vowel and they are singular in number, then we have to use and articles. Okay, we also saw one more rule for a and, that the noun begins with consonant but it produces vowel sound, then we have to write and in front of that noun. For example, an honest. Okay, and whenever the noun begins with vowel but it produces consonant sound, then we have to write a in front of that. For example, a university, a uniform. Okay, so children, got it. Now next article is the. Okay, uh, how to use the article we used for particular person, place and animal. That means proper noun exactly we can say. That means the thing that is only one. Okay, for example, the Taj Mahal we can say, the Red Fort, then the Gateway of India, all these, the Qutub Minar, all these monuments, and for river also. For example, for rivers also we can use the, because they are only one. Any river we can say that the Yamuna, the Ganga, then the Godavari, any river that is singular. So we can use that the for monuments, for rivers, and for other proper nouns. Okay, for universal truth also, that means जो हमेशा से एक ही था हमेशा एक ही रहेगा. For example, sun, we can't say that there are two suns. Anywhere you go, you have you find that there is only one sun and one moon. And see, in case of earth also, though it begins with e, we can't write here an article because it is also singular. अर्थ इज ऑल्सो सिंगल बट इट इज़ यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ. दूसरा कोई भी अर्थ नहीं हो सकता है. इन केस ऑफ सिंगुलर ऑल्सो, इफ देर आर दे आर प्लूरल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एन एप्पल, and okay, this is for apple. There is no s, but whenever there is s, we can use the apples, the apples. Okay, so for plural in this way, for plural we can use this the. Okay, so in case of singular, that is universal truth, we can use the. Okay, and in plural, in these cases, in plural we can use for example, for singular we can use a and in plural form we can use the. Next, the, when we use the, if we are talking about any object, for example, I am talking about this pen. So what I can say, this is my pen. First of all, this is a green pen. So I begin with this is my pen. And this is a green pen. So for first time I used a for this pen because it is singular. But at the second time, while writing or while talking about that pen, I can use that the pen is green in color, the pen is black in color. Okay, the pen is small. Okay, then after that first sentence, whenever I want to say anything, about any quality of this pen, I should use that the for this pen. Understood? For example, it is not that only for pen. For example, for anything, that is, if I want to say about this board, this is a white board. This is a whiteboard. This is my first sentence, and I am talking for first time about this board, and that's why I said a whiteboard. But now next sentence is for second time. So what I can use here? The whiteboard is rectangular in shape. Okay, what I said? The whiteboard is rectangular in shape. Understood? Understood? The whiteboard is rectangular in shape. ये whiteboard है फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने ए यूज़ किया, बट वेन एवर आई यूज फॉर सेकेंड टाइम that whiteboard, I used the in front of that whiteboard. Understood? Second time जब यूज किया तो मैंने क्या बोला, the. See, is used, the is used for noun used earlier. मतलब जो वर्ड हमने पहले यूज़ किया है उसको रिपीट करते हैं से अपने टेक्स्ट में या नाउन में या कोई भी सेंटेंस में, देन सेकंड टाइम वी हैव टू यूज देयर द. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल अ ट्री इज ग्रीन. ओके, अ ट्री इज ग्रीन. Then second time what I said, the tree has many leaves. Okay, second time क्या बोल रहे हैं मैडम, the tree has many leaves. Okay, this is all about the. I have completed the rules. For example, first कैसे बोल रहा है, जो यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ है, जो प्रॉपर नाउन है, that means जो सिंगुलर है, जो दुनिया में कहीं और नहीं हो सकता है, for them we have to use the article. एंड इन केसेस ऑफ दिस एप्पल्स तो हो सकते हैं, तो सिंगल होते हैं तब हम लोग उसे एंड लगाते हैं, बट अगर हमने एप्पल्स लिखा है तो आफ्टर बिफोर दैट एप्पल्स वी कैन यूज द. ओके, एंड देन थर्ड दैट इज वेन एवर any object we are using first time we can use a article, and after that whenever we used that object we should use the before that noun. And article always comes before noun, पहले ही आता है noun के. Okay, so children, here I have completed the article also. Now I am going to explain you our textbook exercise regarding that the. See, on first page also there are questions regarding that the, so I am going to explain, fill in the blanks. Here there is a moon, so we can write here the. Okay, then next is aeroplane, that is an. Then C is fish, O, and elephant. Okay, circle the correct word to complete each sentence below. See, Nita won't lie, she is an honest girl. Here that is honest, it begins with consonant, but again that rule that it produce vowel sound, we can write here and B. I could see two aeroplanes in the sky. See, the sky also, that is also universal truth. स्काई कोई दो नहीं होते हैं, कोई कहीं भी जाओ, मे बी इन जापान, सिंगापुर, अमेरिका, यूएस, देयर इज ओनली वन स्काई एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन यूज देयर द. ओके, the pirate was very grumpy because he had a headache. Okay, so here there is headache, we can write here A. Next is Aunt Maggie bought an umbrella at the new mall. Okay, here there is use of the. See how the story is given to you. Dad sits down on the armchair and reads a newspaper. Some children are playing outside. Okay, so that is the armchair, that it is fixed, that कौन सी chair है, armchair. So that is you know that it is particular, proper noun, armchair. Okay, so we can see, we can write here the. Next is Dad stops reading the newspaper. See why here the, because already here a newspaper is used, and that's why for second time the is used before that newspaper, because there is too much noise. Okay, he stops reading the newspaper because there is too much noise. Mom tells the children. See here children is written first, in first story, that paragraph children word is there, so second time the children is used. Okay, the children, mom tells the children to play quietly. Okay, समझ में आया ध का यूज. What are the children playing? What will they do now? What is dad reading? Okay, here see, note the highlight words, newspaper and children. Okay, these are the newspaper and children. Then again here a ant. See, mom made, the picture is given to you is jug, so that is one jug, so we can say a jug of lemonade for the children. She puts, again we are using the jug, so we can use the with, once we are using bowl, so a bowl of nuts on the table on the lawn. Again a squirrel, so again second time we are using that bowl, that's why the we can use of nuts and ran towards it. The mom saw squirrel, again we are using, so we are writing the and jumped up on a chair. First time we are using chair, that's why it is a. Then screaming, she thought it was a mouse. It was a mouse. Then dad helped mom to climb down from chair. Now second time we are using, so we are writing the everyone had good laugh. Okay, understood? The word that we are using for second time, we are using the in front of that. Okay children, so next page we are going to see in next period. Okay, bye children.